Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can very easily remove the link to TikTok from your Facebook page. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. And let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to open the Facebook application. Here you and I will need to log into our page. To do that, we can either click on this image of ours on the Facebook homepage, or we can go to the menu section, and we'll have our name and our image here as well. We scroll down to the bottom, we see the details section, and we see that here we have a link to TikTok. If we just click on it, it will take us to our TikTok. In order to remove it, we need to click Edit Public Details at the bottom under all the links. Next, scroll down, and next to the word links, click on Edit. Then we see our link to TikTok. In order to remove it, you just need to click on the word remove under this link. That's it. And then, make sure you don't forget to save your changes. You click on the word save at the top of the screen. Now we can exit. Update our Facebook. And as you can see, now we no longer have the link to TikTok. So that's the elementary method to remove TikTok links from your Facebook page. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.